kubor gibamnya. Menteri Rangba Kejala Konrad Kesangma baru sembut Menteri Rangba basnya bahalang dhar kele simbentah kejingilang penkuburom ne kesingi halor kijing sim khia ke sarkar banwan rakyat rukam ti doyong kat kum kejuk mentah. Ya kejing yalang lapen long hakli riat ban lek kemen halor kejing job jong ke sarkar MDA ban pen KM biang ya kejing ti doyong hadin chief host nam da ke bawan rakyat rukam ti doyong ke bajanai ke banne bat ke ban lat na kejing ma. Haba ajing keren hakate kejing yalang Menteri Rangba Kejala ulapan kemau halor kejing syak khanglat ha ke NGT banti doyong ha ke jala bat kumno ki pajba kele kenduk jing haduk ke naduk ke rukam im ke jongki kiwei ki baliadan lang ha ke sengi kilong sekretari jong ke mining and geology ba karmal ki ha ke baliadan lang ru ke kong Santa Mary Shela MLA ke Sutengah deputy commissioner ke East Gentle Hills district Abilash Baranwal ba dapman Shela project proponent bat kiwei ha nongston ya kene kejuk ke program lapen long ha ke sengi balang.
The government of India and the coal ministry will be able to allow the mining in a scientific manner and give the mining lease to the landholders.
So hence I would first of all like to thank the government of India, especially the coal minister, who has been somebody who has supported us all the way to ensure that we are able to open up the coal mining and start the coal mining in a sustainable and scientific manner in the state. So at the same time, in the future, more miners will be applying for the mining lease, and similarly as the process was there for the current 4 miners, the similar process will be followed for the other miners who have applied.